Sleek lines, roaring engines, and cutting-edge technology all wrapped up in one insane package. That's right, we're talking about the highly anticipated debut of the new 2025 BMW X3. Performance. This SUV isn't just about getting from point A to point B, it's about doing it in style and with a whole lot of power under the hood. With its robust engine and muscular design, equipped with a high-performance drivetrain and aggressive styling cues, the X3 M50i Edition offers exhilarating performance and a commanding presence that sets it apart from the rest of the X3 lineup. Plus, it gets a rear axle lock differential, stiffer springs, performance-oriented struts, and retuned steering. Adaptive suspension is optional. Just imagine the kit that the new X3 will ship with. Its sporty features and optional adaptive suspension. It's built to handle whatever the road throws at it. There are 3 variants to choose from: Base, Sport, and M Sport. They can all be paired with VDC, which is BMW speak for variable damper control. Unlike in the latest BMW X1 and X2, the VDC-equipped X3 actually offers 2 clearly different calibrations, labeled Comfort and Sport. The same dual-mode philosophy was applied to the steering, but thankfully not to the brakes. And the drive? Although some sources claim that the new BMW X3 M50 will get a mighty last-minute power boost to 421 horsepower, other channels suggest that the output will be kept to below 400 horsepower. In any case, we expect the M50i to accelerate in 4.5 seconds from 0 to 60, matching the outgoing model M40i for top speed and bettering its efficiency by 10%. But what about under the hood? Well, hold on to your hats because things are about to get exciting. The X3 M50i Edition has a powerful engine. According to sources, the 2025 BMW X3 M50i will be powered by the B58 3-liter 6-cylinder workhorse, which will now deliver slightly more power. The total power output will be 392 horsepower compared to 382 horsepower in the X3 M40i. Of course, if the X3 M50i Edition is a bit too much for you, there are other engine options to choose from. And with design changes that'll make your head spin, you'll never be left wanting for power. Evolutionary design changes. When we talk about the 2025 BMW X3, one thing that really stands out is its evolutionary design changes. With its sleek aerodynamic design, this car boasts an innovative AI-driven driver assistance suite. Among the options are automated lane change, active lane guidance, adaptive cruise control with traffic light recognition, and various collision avoidance strategies, complete with brake intervention. Additional cameras and more intelligent software allow the system to identify and respond to a wider variety of stationary and moving objects, from child to moose, bicycle to truck. So what makes the new X3's design so special? The cutting-edge headlamp technology featuring adaptive LED headlights with advanced matrix functionality for enhanced visibility and safety. Compared to conventional headlights, these innovative lamps offer precise control of light distribution, dynamically adjusting to road conditions and oncoming traffic. We had the chance to chat with some people from BMW's design team, and they gave us some fascinating insights, stating, "We wanted to give the X3 a more aggressive look while still maintaining that signature BMW elegance. And then there's the grille. Rumors suggest technical advancements such as active grille shutters for improved aerodynamics and a larger kidney grille to accommodate enhanced cooling for the electric drivetrain option, emphasizing both performance and efficiency in the 2025 BMW X3. The BMW X3 gets some serious new hardware as it enters its 4th generation. One look at the camouflage beast reveals a lot of important details, specifically regarding aerodynamics. The new 2025 BMW X3 achieves a drag coefficient of 0.27, the best in the segment, according to the automaker. A D-pillar Aeroblade air performance wheels, available in sizes from 19 to 21 inches. The underbody panels have been reconfigured to provide an even smoother undertray too. Comparing it to previous models, you can really see how the design has evolved over time. In the case of the 2025 BMW X3, technical innovations such as an intelligent adaptive grille, which dynamically adjusts airflow to optimize cooling and aerodynamics, further exemplify BMW's dedication to pushing the boundaries of automotive engineering. And let's not forget about other BMW designs for context. Take the X5 for example. One compelling feature of the X5 is its innovative semi-autonomous driving capabilities, enabling hands-free operation in certain situations, offering both convenience and safety. In comparison, while the X5 boasts similar semi-autonomous features, the X3's more compact size and nimble handling make it particularly adept at navigating urban environments with ease, providing a versatile driving experience tailored to diverse lifestyles. Which brings us to the features and technology. Advanced features and technology. You know how you plug your phone in to charge? Well, imagine doing the same thing but for your car. The new X3 is expected to come with a charging connector. This is designed to accommodate various charging standards, offering flexibility and compatibility with different charging infrastructures, with the best one being up to 90 miles per 10 minutes of charging. Plus, with hybrid powertrains in the mix, you'll be able to switch seamlessly between the electric and gas power for maximum efficiency. Now let's talk about DC fast charging capability. This feature enables rapid battery replenishment, significantly reducing charging times by 27% compared to conventional methods. Comparing to refueling a gas tank, DC fast charging offers a swift and efficient charging experience without the associated emissions and environmental impact, marking a significant leap forward in sustainable transportation. Which brings us to the displays. Say hello to the BMW curved display and iDrive 9 system. The display, characterized by its sleek curvature, offers an immersive and intuitive user experience by seamlessly integrating controls and information within the driver's line of sight. The biggest novelty brought by iDrive 9 will be the Quick Select functionality, which will allow users to create shortcuts to their most often used features on the home screen. Doing so will avoid the hassle of having to go through the submenus, as the widget on the left side of the screen will grant quick access by simply swiping and tapping on the desired function, all while still having the navigation map occupying the better part of the screen. BMW is also providing a look at how the driver can quickly turn on or off the heated or cooled seats, along with the heated steering wheel, without entering the menu dedicated to the climate settings. More in-depth changes can be made after tapping on the fan symbol to bring up all the controls pertaining to the temperature, fan speed, and whatnot. The iDrive 9 system serves as the brains behind this interface, providing advanced functionality for accessing vehicle settings, navigation, entertainment, and more. Enhanced luxury and comfort. The 2025 BMW X3 is about to take comfort to a whole new level. Engineered with advanced ergonomics, these seats offer a cocooning effect, enveloping passengers in a sense of relaxation. That's the kind of comfort you can expect from the new X3. And it's not just the seats. The interior design seamlessly integrates high-quality materials with innovative technology, including customizable ambient lighting and noise-canceling capabilities, ensuring a serene environment for occupants. But luxury isn't just about fancy material. That's where the standard comfort features come in. We're talking about things like passive keyless entry, and let's not forget about the iconic glow exterior, which not only looks cool, but also makes it easier to find your car in a crowded parking lot. The new X3 is expected to come with enhanced ADAS capabilities, which stands for Advanced Driver Assistance Systems. Basically, it's like having a co-pilot on board, helping you navigate through traffic and stay safe on the road. With features like lane keeping assist and adaptive cruise control, driving has never been more relaxing. But how does the X3 stack up against other luxury SUVs in the market? Well, according to industry experts, it's set to be a game changer. With its combination of comfort, technology, and performance, it's poised to give competitors a run for their money. And don't even get us started on the dimensions of this beast. Increased dimensions and cargo space. When it comes to the 2025 BMW X3, bigger is definitely better. The new X3 is going to be larger than its predecessor, and that means it's going to have more road presence. The increased dimensions mean more space inside the cabin, and nowhere is that more evident than in the boot. That's right, the X3 is going to have a larger boot space, with enough room to fit all your gear and then some. We've already seen some leaked specs. If the information is accurate, the new X3 crossover will measure 4,755 millimeters in length, 1,920 millimeters in width, and 1,660 millimeters in height. That would make it 47 millimeters longer, 29 millimeters wider, and 16 millimeters lower than the outgoing X3 G01. Which brings us to the manufacturing. Sustainable manufacturing. The company's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint is driving significant changes in material sourcing practices. By prioritizing eco-friendly materials, BMW aims to enhance the environmental sustainability of its production processes. One of the key players in this green revolution is sustainably produced aluminum. Instead of relying on traditional manufacturing methods that pump out tons of CO2 emissions, BMW is turning to sources like Rio Tinto's hydro-powered facilities in Canada. This aluminum is produced using clean, renewable energy, resulting in a 70% reduction in CO2 emissions compared to conventional methods. But it's not just about reducing emissions, it's also about minimizing environmental impact. So what does all this mean for the 2025 BMW X3? Well, for starters, it means a cleaner, greener ride. With less CO2 emissions and a reduced environmental footprint, you can feel good about hitting the road in your new X3. But it's not just about feeling good, it's also about making a real difference. By choosing a vehicle that's been manufactured with sustainability in mind, you're helping to protect the planet for future generations. Production and global availability. BMW's production plans for this sleek SUV are as global as they come, with manufacturing hubs spread out across the world. They've got the production location in Roslyn, South Africa. This facility has been churning out X3s since 2018, and it's set to play a key role in the production of the 2025 model. BMW's export strategy is all about reaching customers far and wide, with more than 90% of X3s from Roslyn being shipped off to Europe. It's like a well-oiled machine with cars rolling off the assembly line and onto ships bound for distant shores. But what about availability closer to home? While BMW has yet to confirm specific details, speculation is running rampant about the X3's availability in different markets, including the United States. The US is one of the largest markets for the X3, with thousands of units sold every year. So it's safe to say that the BMW will want to make sure that the 2025 model is available to American customers. Of course, production schedules and market availability can vary, so it's always a good idea to keep an eye out for updates from BMW. Pricing and market positioning. Now, pricing expectations can vary depending on where you're buying your X3, but let's focus on the United States for now. Rumor has it that the 2025 model will fall in a similar price range as its predecessors, which typically start around the mid-$40,000s to low $50,000s. Of course, that's just a ballpark figure, so it's always a good idea to check with your local dealership for the most up-to-date pricing information. But how does that stack up against previous models and competitors in the luxury SUV segment? Compared to previous iterations, the 2025 X3 is expected to offer even more. With upgraded features, enhanced technology, and a sleek new design, it's a solid investment for anyone in the market for a luxury SUV. And when it comes to competitors, the X3 holds its own against the best of the best. From Audi to Mercedes-Benz, there's no shortage of luxury SUVs vying for your attention. The US is one of the largest markets for the X3, with thousands of units sold every year. So it's safe to say that BMW will want to keep the American market in mind when setting prices and rolling out new features. We'll look forward to seeing the new X3, but for now, click on the screen to see our list of the top SUVs under $50,000 in 2024.